Hello. I'm so frustrated. I let my son borrow my mic yesterday and totally spaced that that I'd have to reset things on here. So I did take a trade. I started that trade before I started the recording, so I just threw the recording up there real quick and was like, okay, let's get this in here. I was talking about everything that had gone on, how I had to refresh everything, because guys, I don't know if you know, if you leave your charts open when you close your laptop, or at least I have this issue, I'll end up with just really funky data. So I have to refresh everything at that point in order to get the clarity that comes with having each individual bar. So let's take a look at what we did. At least. So took along here. I chased that puppy because things were just coming up, and I'm actually pretty happy with that exit. Let's turn this on. And let me show you how I chased it. I see my mic. Okay. I saw my mic moving earlier. Anyways, whenever I entered this, my risk was right here. So I chased it for sure, moved my risk up and let it go. So let's see what's going on from here. Now, the market is definitely still down. Let's see. This may be a spot that gives us a little bounce back up. It's giving a good little pullback, but it does look like it still wants to go. Just a moment. Let's give it a shot. There we go. I'll go ahead and take this one out if I can. Okay, that one got out. There we go. Watch it come right down to this spot and pick up. That's okay. That's okay. I'm feeling a little off in my mindset today. Look at that go. I want to turn off these arrows. Still showing strength to keep going up. Just moving my risk a little quickly. This may try and push it down from here. So I'm just looking at the way these closes were just kind of bunching together and the MACDs weren't pushing through. Gave me a good indication that this was going to give a pushback. Was definitely a little ahead of the game in anticipating the pushback. but here it is happening now. Okay, so if we're looking here, this is actually very on point with the short. I'd be curious to see if it comes down to here, and if it does, what it does. Because what we typically see is a nice pushback after a hangout like this. How strong the MACD is pushed up. If they pull back, they are definitely going to give divergence on the 10,946. Look how much work the BBs have to do to come down here. Look how little work the price has to do. So divergence is definitely on the docket for today. And are you on the MES or the ES? And please tell me you're not trading live money. It's okay if you're backwards. Right now, that's the way it's going to be, because we've got to rework your way of thinking. We've got to do some work on, into understanding what's really happening and moving with the price and the MACDs, instead of expecting it to do something just because it's at an area. Okay. Gave a nice little short opportunity right in here as it pulled back. I just don't know that I would trust this to go all the way down, but hey, that was a huge move down there, so why not? It's already showing slowdowns as it reached right in here. I think the biggest lesson that we have to learn is that we're not going to always understand everything we see. And if we don't know what we're seeing, if we can't, really decipher which direction it's going, then we need to sit on our hands. We live in a society that tells us that we have to be busy, 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 go, 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 and it's not the same with trading. All right, with that being said, it's time to wrap it up. My mind is not with things. I'm trying to pay attention to two things at once, and that is not good for my trading. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I guess I will catch y'all on the profitable side.